Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Parasphere. Yes, they are here, and they've always been sphere.
Now the plan was to set up a safe distance from the dead bulldozer and use what's become our tried and true method for stimulating phenomena, launching a rocket.
Nope, got the chute coming down fast. Good. Chute hasn't opened. Nope.
Eric, are you doing something at 1.6?
I'm not broadcasting.
The signal? 1.60000. Want to try and listen to it?
Yeah.
It's chirping in frequency. That's a communication signal or something. From my experience as a rocket scientist, this sound frequency was like the kind of communication signal you would get from a satellite orbiting the Earth or even farther out in space.
I'm looking through some footage. I've got something here that doesn't fit in. This is out at the carriage house.
Across the canal.
Yeah.
What on earth is that? You can even see the trail behind it. Now watch it go. It leaves a trail behind it as it goes. Or stop. There's a black line through the center of this thing. In one night, one span there, we see a strange communication beam. And then we see this thing. And interestingly enough, at the same instant, we see this signal at 1.6 gigahertz. It was pretty bizarre. You've captured a UAP on camera here, Eric, and we don't know what it is. No, it's behind the tree, so it's far enough away.
Right.
Play that again.
Sure.
You can see the other particles around.
Well, it's leaving a trail. Go back, Eric.
Sure.
Go back about.
Sure. Yeah, point out the trail.
Is that camera lag?
It could be.
Stop right there.
Uh-huh.
You can even see the trail behind it. Now watch it go. It leaves a trail behind it as it goes. Or stop. You see it?
Sure.
See the path there? What's the frame rate of this camera?
Thank you for watching the Parasphere. We hope you enjoy our videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more historical accounts, sightings and disclosure of these sphere UFOs from the past and present. And remember, keep your eyes to the skies and stay curious.